Before we get to ChatGPT and other chatbots, I want to set you up with a quick and easy win that should only take 30 seconds. This website right here is called Perplexity. It's totally free, and you can think of it as Google search but powered by AI. So, the website is right here. And just like Google search, you can ask a question. So, we'll ask, who is Sam Altman? You can see this is very different from what a Google search would look like. So, first, you get a brief summary of who he is. Then, you've got a more extended answer, and you've got some related searches, some images, and the sources up here. If you click on the sources, you'll be able to see where the information was sourced from. And unlike Google, you don't have to go through a bunch of links and a bunch of ads to find what you're looking for. Perplexity does the searching for you and summarizes the answer in one place right here. Another great thing about Perplexity is that it comes with different modes. So, if you click here on Focus, you'll see a bunch of different modes which you can use to search for answers. So, maybe you're writing a paper, and you want the academic option. Maybe you're looking for YouTube videos. Maybe you want an answer from Reddit. So, right here, let's take the academic option. Let's assume we're writing a paper, and I'll write, "Attention is all you need," which is a famous AI paper. Let's see if it can find it. There you go. There's the link to the paper on AR14. There's also a brief summary of what the paper is. Super handy. It also gives us some other related questions that folks have asked related to this. Perplexity also has a few other features you can use. So, Home obviously is the one that you'll be using for search. But then, you also have Discover, which is a news feed of all the trending news for the day. There's also this feature called Library, which you have to sign up for. But I'll quickly show you what that is. So, if you go back to Home and start a new search, and let's ask, what is AI, and there we have our answer. And what we can do here is, if we go click on these three dots right here, we can add it to a collection. We obviously have to sign up, but what that essentially does is it creates a folder where you can save all this information. So, if, let's assume, you're doing research for a report, you can start a new folder in your library and store all that information there. And that's all you need to know to get started on Perplexity. I highly recommend you go to. After watching this video, run a search, and see for yourself how much better it is than Google.